Today in front of me I have the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt, and in this video I'll show how you can enter and change the audio settings and preferences in this security camera. So to start, you will need to take your phone and launch the EUFY security app, then open your camera settings, go into the audio settings, and here you have it. Inside them you can enable or disable the camera mic, you can enable or disable the audio recording. So once you will record the video from your camera, you decide whether you would like for it to include sound or not, or just be video only. And here you can also enable or disable the camera speaker, as well as adjust its volume. Well, let me enable it back, and now you can adjust the volume. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.